Okay, so quickly understanding the nutrition program. First, you're going to go to the website, then you're going to go to the tab, the menu up top where it says Workout Programs. Click on that. It's going to take you to the workout programs and the nutrition guide. If you have not yet joined, hit join. You'll get access to it. Then you're going to hit view. Then you're going to look on the left, so you have different sections. You have section 1 through 9, which are all designed to help you understand the weight loss process and how it can better. These sections are how to help you better understand how to lose weight. So you're going to start with the overview. The overview, you're going to watch a couple videos, and then you're going to hit continue. Number 1, this is the most important section. So you start with this, you're going to go down, you're going to have this video, and then you're going to have 4 PDFs. One is, all are going to have the foods you're allowed to have, the timeline, and kind of the structure of how this whole program works. So if you're 150 pounds, you're going to click on the first one. If you're 150 to 200 pounds, you're going to click on the second one. If you're 200 to 250 pounds, you're going to click on that third one. And if you're 250 pounds or above, then you're going to click on that fourth one. So let's just click on this first one, 150 pounds and under. You're going to click on that. This is going to open a PDF. I would suggest print this off. This is going to give you the proteins that you can have, a list of proteins that you can have, a list of fats that you can have, a list of carbs that you can have, and a list of veggies that you can have. And I know veggie is a carb, but we're going to leave the leafy greens separate, and you can have anything. You want to avoid peas, carrots, corn, squash, eggplants, pumpkins, and beets. All right, so as you can see, the proteins, the fats, carbs, veggies are all color coordinated. So if you scroll down to this, the food timeline, you have meal 1, you have snack, you have meal 2, you have a snack, and you have meal 3. These are color coordinated also. So in the triangle, you have a blue, an orange, and a green. So if you go up, you are going to, in the blue, that means you get to pick one protein out of this list. You get to pick one carb out of this list. You get to pick one veggie out of this list. And then you're going to move on to the next thing, your snack. You get to pick one basically out of the protein. You're going to want to pick out of the protein list because that's going to help with the fat loss. If you pick from one of the other ones, it's going to trigger the body to continue to burn fat from the food that you're eating, and you won't lose weight as fast, which is further explained in the earlier video, in the overview video. So move on. Meal 2 is just like meal 1, so you're going to pick one protein out of the protein list. You're going to pick one carb, and you're going to pick a veggie. All right, and then in each list is the amount that you can have. Like if you were going to pick chicken, you can have 4.5 ounces of chicken, or the size, the palm of your hand. Okay, veggies, a fist, so like a cup would be the size of your fist. So meal 3 is a little bit different, whereas you're going to pick one protein, one fat, and one veggie. All right, so for example, if you were looking at this, you were going to pick for meal 1, let's say you picked yogurt for your protein, you picked blueberries for your carb, and roasted Brussels sprouts for your veggie. Then you had a protein shake with no sugar, of course, for your snack. And then for meal 2, from your protein list, you picked turkey and Ezekiel bread to make probably a sandwich, and spinach to put on that also for your veggie. Then you had another protein shake for your snack. And then meal 3, you went with chicken breast, avocado, and asparagus and the difference on this is you picked from the fat list. So avocado fell into that. So Now, additional, you can pick for flavor enhancement. You can have mustard, dry spices, rubs for meats, lemon juice, balsamic vinegar, salt, pepper, stevia, and any hot sauces. And for your drinks, you can have water, black coffee, no sugar creamer, sugar-free green tea, sugar-free iced tea, Crystal Light, and Mio flavored water, or the Mio flavored stuff to put in water. You can also put that in your Greek yogurt. It makes it taste way better because Greek yogurt is kind of disgusting. And overall, basically, if it has 0 calories, you can have as much as you want of it. So this would be for a plan for somebody 150 pounds and under. If we get out of that, you can go to, if you were 175 pounds, you could click on this. The only difference is the portion size. Everything else is the same. And the same with the same with 200 pounds and 250 pounds and above. If you want recipes to go along with this, the section 2 is recipes. So if you look at this and you clicked on sweet scrambled egg, it's going to give you a video how to make it. It's going to give you the ingredients, and it's going to tell you that it's for this is designed for a protein, a carb, and a veggie. So your morning or your first meal and your second meal. If you scroll down further, this has so if you went crispy chicken sandwich, it gives you the PDF. It gives you a video, gives you the ingredients, direction, and obviously this is for a protein, veggie, and a fat, so your third meal of the day. If you scroll down even further, it has extra things like recipes for dressings, honey mustard, dressings, different things. So again, as you go through here, section 1 is obviously the most important section. So go through this and then go through the rest of the sections. This should help you a lot with your nutrition in general.